Hey Rachel, it's me, Erica Domesek, and I'm going to share with you some of my favorite projects from my new kids book, P.S. We Made This. Get excited. I know you love yourself some delicious pizza, and so does my number one niece here, Hannah, so I brought her along, and we're going to show you guys how to make your very own brick oven pizza out of cardboard boxes. Let's do this, right? Okay, so now what you need for this, you need a large box, a smaller box, and some crafty supplies. Now the first step is to trace your arch for your pizza oven and those bricks. And I feel like we should color them in too. Okay, looks pretty good, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now it's time we cut it out. I already went ahead and just traced a basic flame shape, and we're gonna cut them out and tape them together. Oh, hot. Let's put these in the pizza oven. And this is what is gonna be our brick oven pizza. Take this up. Next up, I think we should paint our bricks and make our pizza toppings, and then we're good. We're ready to bake this pizza. What do you think?
Yeah.
It's hot, put it in. I like mine extra crispy. This is one of my favorite projects from the book. It's storytelling, it's pretend play, but also you can work on things like fine motor skills with kids. And my biggest thing is sustainability, because we're repurposing things that we already have in the house and we're having fun at the same time.